Namaste everyone, it's me Dev Prasad Pandit from Khairani, Chittagong. Today I am with another video. How can we write letter to the editor? I am going to provide you some hints for writing letter to the editor. Letter to the editor is written piece of composition. It is a way of talking to a newspaper, magazine or other regularly printed publication. Letter to the editors are generally found in the first section of newspaper or towards the beginning of a magazine or in the editorial page. They can take a position for or against an issue or simply inform or both. They can convince readers by using emotions or facts or emotion and facts combined. Letters to the editors are usually short and tight with important ideas or points. It may be on different topics. It can have an endless variety of issues. In class 8, you may be asked to write letter on the given topic in about 150 words. Similarly, in classes 9 and 10, you may be asked to write a letter on the given topic in about 200 words. And in classes 11 and 12, you are asked to write a letter in about 300 words. Therefore, the content of the letter varies from one level to another. Then, what are the different parts of letter to the editor? Generally, there are mainly 8 parts in the letter to the editor. They are sender's address, date below the address, the receiving editor's address, subject of the letter, salutation, the body. In the body, we can include these things: introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter, then details of the topic, concluding ideas or ending, complimentary closing. Next, last part is sender's name, signature or designation. First, sender's address. At the beginning, you should write the address of the sender on the top corner of right hand side. In this section, you can introduce your email ID and phone number also. The second part is date. Under it, you have to write the date. For higher grades students, the address and the date may be given in the question. Then receiving editor's address. In this section, you can begin like to the editor or to the editor-in-chief. Then you can write the name of the newspaper and its address. The fourth part is subject of the letter. In this section, you can write the subject of the letter to the editor. You can easily get subject from the questions. You can begin the subject like about the problem of. The next part, fifth part, is salutation. After writing the address of the receiver's news desk, you have to write salutation like dear sir, dear madam, or respected sir or madam, etc. Then the sixth part is body. This is the main part of the letter. It may be written in 3 parts like opening, main message and closing. In the opening part, you can introduce yourself. You can also add the purpose of your writing. In the second part, you can write the details of the topic. It is the main body of the letter. There may be more paragraphs in this part. The paragraphs should be well connected. You can expand the body according to your level. Suppose you are the student of grade 8, you can write the body in about 100 words. If you are the student of grade 9 or 10, you can write the body in about 150 words. And if you are the student of grade 11 or 12, you can expand the body in about 200 words containing some paragraphs. The paragraphs of the second part of the body depend on the words which the paragraphs contain. In the third part of the body, you can conclude or end the letter. Another part of the letter to the editor is complimentary closing. In complimentary close, you can write the words such as sincerely yours, best regards, yours, etc., which conventionally appear before the sender's signature or name at the end of the letter, email, or similar text. It is also called a complimentary closing, close, valediction, or sign off. The last part of the letter to the editor is sender's name and signature or designation. Generally, we write the name of the sender here. It is written under complimentary closing. Then we write the signature. Under signature, the designation of the sender is also written. This is the format of the letter to the editor. The question is this: write a letter in about 150 words to the editor of the Kathmandu Post about the problem on water supply in your local area. You can read it by pausing the video. You can pause the video and read it carefully and get ideas to write letter to the editor. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and to visit my blog. I have put related materials in my blog too. My blog is devprasadpandit.blogspot.com. Similarly, you can get the materials from mobile app Siknath. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.